got an issue with a faulty installation of a bathroom, which is resulting in a leak. The products and the contract were supplied by a large DIY chain store in December 2021. And during the installation, the plaster wouldn't dry in the shower area, but the fitter proceeded. After the work was completed and signed off, paint started peeling. There was staining, showing signs of water leaking. The company have admitted fault in May 2023.
Did the company supply the fitter, Seb?
Yes.
Okay,
yes,
good.
it was all done under... Yeah, the fitter, unfortunately, has left the company now, which isn't ideal. But the company...
Oh, yes, it is.
Oh, okay.
It is, because the fitter can't give evidence to help the company.
Oh, excellent.
If they've admitted liability, that's perfect.
Yes, and they've delivered tiles to replace after the repair work's been carried out, all that kind of stuff. Mm-hmm. Now, the issue we've got is that they aren't committing to a date, and they're saying we can't find a date, we can't find anyone suitable to repair the damage. What I'm concerned about is this is a water leak and could be creating more damage to my property. So my questions are, how long should I wait for the repair? And also, how can I escalate it, as I'm concerned the damage is being caused to my property?
OK. Great question, Seb. Thank you for calling in. They are obliged to carry out repairs within a reasonable period. If they don't, then you have the right to go elsewhere and send them the bill for the repairs. When did they admit liability, Seb?
Just before, April 2023.
So three months ago, roughly.
Yeah, roughly, yeah.
Well, that's long enough. I mean, if you'd said it was 2 weeks ago, I'd say give them longer, but 3 months is long enough. So I would write to them and say, I'm giving you 28 days, because you've got to give them a little bit longer. I'm giving you 28 days to find someone to repair this, otherwise I'm going elsewhere. I'm going to send you some quotes in 2 weeks' time, and then Seb, over the next 2 weeks, get 3 other quotes. And send them 3 other quotes in 2 weeks' time. And in 2 weeks' time, say, here are the 3 quotes. If you haven't attended and fixed the problem within 2 weeks, taking you to 28 days, I'm going to go with the cheapest quote. And I will be suing you for the cost. They'll either do it or they won't, Seb. But if they don't do it, you've set yourself up perfectly for suing them.
And that's done through the small claims court?
It will be through the small claims court as long as it's under £10,000.